Tetora jasore Sam unaroni ateire of course abantu banarire ko bashok ni chingwana cha agochorwa ai kero ko rigere sabari ya na bono siasa una chikenda te unaroni ateba ade in politics is too long which way do we expect to mwako lia achikone kemero beria yo reba siasa uchipos.
So my own opinion as a siasa chumara Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga has been the longest serving opposition leader to Atware, and then Naro Chariba Kulikanga is the longest serving president who never was like. I got a meeting at Chukura ata Gwete in 2002. The chair was supporting Morai Mwai Kibaki. Lakini wacholi obonde, obwire lakini taraba declared. So according to her, only if he goes by the word that he wins but Tanyak but declared, then he thinks like he's relevant come 2027. Raila has been doing handshakes. Actually, Montata Krotanere handshake no Mugaka Kenyatta. If he had an opportunity, could have also done a handshake. Lakini Sakuligere Kurmoi, Agaicha Karango Mugako, Evonon Kuritaya, being and Nambo at the sea. Techie to cover when I went to cover. I go just a Kibaki, techie to cover. Ochira say mo Uhuru Kenyatta, techie to cover. But you are now having William Ruto. Again, to go Garanda Kabanta Bangi, they don't know the way Raila Odinga Rengereti. Nering a handshake chair, you can predict the time that he comes for a handshake. You got what the chins of my thing, or you're already go so carry, you got to get the very high. But you chire a time when we expect William Ruto at Koboria. So that's where now the confusion comes. Eka kole kijuko bwatara normal I say William Ruto. Or you first time ya. Or you obviously we expect that pakabo liya se time ya kabere. Intention kiechia bwate. Ngi kiagara ta akagenda se William Ruto. Okay, from if indeed he wanted the support ya AU because you must be kerokoboli kerokia AU we cover supported by the government of the day. And we get some sponsorship. Yamo sponsor by quality. So, is it Raila Odinga? Is he now just paying back to William Ruto for being generous? As como support Kerogeki was the intention is kiechia Igarach como support. Majority of the Kenyans, whether they are in opposition, whether Nabantu about DM, whether in Kenya Kwanza, whether in DAP, Kero Monto, Raila Odinga, no nigaro Monto, despite the fact Nabate enemies chair politically, and Abantum Barbata Mwakire Kura, but at the end of the day is relevant to everyone. I do remember when we had a handshake ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Abantu baka balibatari kumpatar kumwakire kura irobrai bakubonye ki bono muno buguma kongirega ngaira Odinga ale baka abantu bakirite government bakubonga ngaira Odinga ale igamanye kanito no muntu gete oko push the government and people have really made him like they believe in him ngaiga ko push the government kere bintu bisarigete ngote margo push. So when he crosses the other side Kero Monto, including Bariba Kerto Murai, when Dr. William Ruto, Pacabariba, Bakumingalende, Mugojagoto, Teberanga, and to get a Yasariki. So he's relevant as a long serving opposition leader, of which, if today we were voting the opposition leader, Raila Odinga could get 100%, even 101%, including his name. Anyore Chikurej. We have seen what he has done. He has been in politics, and still is the center stage. I want to repeat something I said last week. Raila Odinga asabonaiga for me I validate a statement ya omo yorengo mokonyi bumura iwense oyokurunga neregate gashagwanga Raila Odinga igaribuna oxygen gocha somura iwense and if indeed because numbers chiria loosely maybe abantu barbatara amwanchira nabona obugima boko ngatega they believe that is ne messia na ndechi promise yakuru chinyinga tango ikirani